Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. It's Hannah here. Today is going to be the first of 12 videos in a row. 12 days of Christmas. Hope you're getting a Christmassy mood. Eat some Christmas snacks, which I don't even know what they are. Them cheese little biscuit things. They're my Christmas snacks. What are your Christmas snacks? This is the first look. I hope you guys enjoy watching. As you can see, this eye is done off camera, so we're going to go on to this one. So first thing we're going to do is I'm just going to pop the base on. The base we're going to be using is the Barry Concealer in shade 2. I'm just taking any sort of flat brush. This is a MAC 252 brush, an oldie but a goodie. I'm just going to carve out underneath the brow, just like so. It makes your eyebrow look 10 times thicker. And then I'm going to bring it down, and then we're going to pat it in after. And then just start patting it on, just to set it in place. So the palette I'm going to be using today is the PLOUISE palette. Now this is an oldie but a goodie. It is her first palette she came out with. So I'm going to start off with the colour Queen, which is that bright ass red there. I'm going to go in with a Morphe M506 brush, so a really affordable brush. Just going to go straight in the middle and just slowly go back and forth. No like circling motions, just slowly go back and forth and build up that crease colour. What are your favourite Christmas films? Let me know in the comments below. I'm like in a Christmas mood but not in a Christmas mood, if that makes sense. Like, I think because it's come fast, like it's come so fast Christmas, I'm like, oh my god. I don't know if I'm in a more Christmassy mood than last year. I want to go out. I feel like Christmas is just like nights out for me. I'm like, get me out. So yeah, I'm just popping that in the crease. I go in with a mixture of Sun-Kissed and Burnt. So these are the two oranges in the palette. One's more red, one's more orange. I'm using a 217 MAC brush. Softly just go on the edges first, so you're not moving that red about too much. Blend the edges out. Then I'm going to go in with Trippin', this kind of colour here, because I don't want to go in with a yellow because it'll make it too orangey. We want to keep it nice and burgundy, Christmassy vibes. So I'm going to go in with Trippin', and this is a Zoeva 227 Luxe Soft Definer. And softly over the edges of that, and then we're going to go back in with the orange because this kind of makes it look a little bit more pinky. So this is where you want to go back in with just Sun-Kissed this time, so the really orangey one. On the same brush, you really want to saturate all that crease with that colour, just so it's coming off more ready burgundy rather than a reddy pinky. I'm going to go in the crease again with that red. Just deepen it up a tiniest bit more, so you're adding that depth back in. Go in with the colour Bestie, which is the darkest colour in the palette. It's like a really dark brown. And I'm just going to go slightly in the crease with that. Then I'm going to go in the outer corner just a tiniest bit and just tap that on. And then I'm going to go in with Queen, the red colour, and then just tap that on as well. Now it's time to do like the eyeliner effect on the lid. So I'm going to take first Bestie, which is the darkest colour, on a little flat brush. This is just a Morphe M213 brush. Start off like almost like coming down. So you're coming from the crease downwards. And then to make this look more burgundy, we're going to go in with the red called Queen again. And I'm just going to go straight on top of that. You can see it makes it look more burgundy. Now it's time to map out the crease area. So I'm just going to pat it where I want it, but I don't want it to be structured. I want it to be like a little bit feathered out at the edge. So I'm just going to literally pat that on, and hopefully it won't go too pink, but it's already going bloody pink now. That's what I didn't want it to do. I'm going to take, this is Too Faced glitter glue. You can use NYX, it doesn't have to be Too Faced, it could be glue if you want, but I like to use glitter glue because it is literally the best. And I'm going to put a tiny bit just on top with the same brush, just any flat brush will do. I'm going to take Reflex Gold by MAC. This is the gold that's on the lid. It is absolutely beautiful, and the technique we're wanting to use is just patting it on. So if I get a little bit closer, just pat it on just like that, and it'll completely cover that pinky colour up. I love gold glitter. I'm going to take Queen again on the same brush, and I'm just going to go over where I put that liner, and I'm just wiggling it back and forth. We're not moving too much. I'm going to take a little bit of Bestie as well. I'm actually going to take a little bit of some setting spray just to spray over my eye just so the glitters don't fall everywhere. So that's a good tip, just to spray something after you put glitter on, because you don't want it flying off everywhere. You know what glitter's like, it's very temperamental. Anyway, so next step is to get some under eye base. I need to stop going out of frame. And then I'm just going to pat the outer corner with my little finger. MAC NC to NW20 Studio Chromographic pencil, so any kind of cream. Then I'm going to take the colour Bestie, which is the darkest colour, and I'm going to go right underneath just to deepen up the lash line. And then I'm going to go in with Queen, which is that red there. Make it more burgundy looking again, you don't want it to look too pink. You're kind of just tapping this on top. And then we're going to go in with that Sun-Kissed colour, which is the most orange one out of the palette, with the 217 brush. Just to buff all the edges out. Okay, so now I've got the eyes done, the lashes on, it's time to do my Pink Pale Arse Face. So the primer I'm going to be using today is a good, very oldie MAC Strobe Cream. Now you guys know how much I love this stuff. It's in the colour Peach. I will not wear any other colour but peach. It just makes the skin really hydrated, really soft, and gives that glow at the same time. Now this isn't sold as a primer, it's sold as a moisturiser, but I use it as a primer and it works, so there you go. Oh my god, I look even more pink. Oh my god, I look a tomato! I can't. Anyway, let's get the foundation on. Just skip over that. Studio Fix Fluids NC37, an oldie but a goodie. I love the smell of this foundation. I'm going to take a Peach Sun Cream PC25. I'm going to pop that on the skin. Oh my god, the smell of this foundation though. Let's go back to normal colour again. Like I said, this is the first day of the Christmas, 12 days of Christmas that I've pledged to do. I thought, do you know what? Every Christmas I never film or record, because either last year a breakup with my boyfriend, so I was like, I am not filming. The year before that, my camera broke, and then the year before that, I can't remember what happened. But this year, I am determined to get as many Christmas videos out as possible. So that's why I've challenged myself to do 12 days of Christmas. I don't know if I'm doing it on Instagram as well. I think I'm doing it on Instagram as well. Oh my god, look how normal I look again, guys. She's back. Hannah Lama's back. Oh, wait, no, Hannah Lama. Oh my god, I can remember when I called that. OG subscribers will remember Hannah Lama. Blend by Hannah's back. Bloody hell. Look at me. I'm an oil slick. So, I'm going to be using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I haven't used this in time. The shade 10. Will this be light enough? Oh, I'm not sure. This is such an old concealer as well. I should probably have been here because it's like a year old, but oh well. I'm going to take a little bit of a lighter concealer as well, because we need that. We've got some army stripes on his face. We'll use this. It's just another foundation brush. It's exactly the same. Just underneath the eye. Yeah, that's light enough. Just be careful when you put concealer underneath your eye, because you don't want it to like ruin your... Was that pink? I had this problem before. You don't want it to ruin your eyeshadow. What kind of looks are you wanting for the 12 days of Christmas? Let me know. I'm thinking of doing like a green smoky eye, a like wintry blue, obviously burgundy, a red lip, Christmas Day kind of makeup. What do you guys buy on Boxing Day, guys? Because I am literally obsessed. This is Barry M concealer, by the way. I'm obsessed with getting some good trainer deals. I'm like, give me some trainer deals now. Oh my god, that looks beautiful. See, red eyeshadow or burgundy eyeshadow is very like old school me. So I used to wear it all the time, and then I grew up and I started wanting neutrals. You go into neutrals to colour to neutrals again. I'm going to pop this on. So I've been using this recently. It's the L'Oreal Infallible foundation stick in the colour 210 Cappuccino. This for cream contour is such a beautiful colour. Oh, love it. Oh, stop doing that, Hannah. I am so bad for doing that. Oh my god, it looks so nice, but not. This looks so weird. I think the best thing to do with this is stipple it in, which looks the most weirdest thing ever, and then I kind of swirl it in as well. I think I might have put too much on that side. Oh well, we'll blend it in. Doing a little stippling motion. I forgot how good this was as like a cream bronzer. I need to start using cream blushes and maybe not cream highlights because they're like nothing. Do they even show up on the skin? Cream products are better for like drier skins. I'm combination, so I can kind of get away with them if I powder them right. I love cream contouring up here. It's the most satisfying thing ever. I'm like, give me that small forehead. Am I gonna put too much on? Right, let me put I got my other brush, the concealer on, and just like blend that out. That's the only thing. I've got to learn how much product I can use of this, because I don't want to use too much. This is the MAC Water Weight Powder. This is beautiful for drier skins. I'm just going to put that on, but I'm going to tap it on like this. Put that down a little bit there as well. I'm going to use a translucent powder underneath my eyes to set that Beauty Bakerie flower powder. What have I got in my eye? Oh my god, it's that eyelash. Ow, I'm going to have to sort this out. Oh my god. Aha! I got it! Can you see that little eyelash there? Is the devil. So this is the translucent Beauty Bakerie powder. I'm literally just going to pop it a little bit underneath. Around the nose area. And where I get oily basically. So, bronzer. I'm going to use the MAC MINERALIZE Skin Finish in Dark Golden. This is my baby. If you don't know about these bronzers, where have you been? You need to get one in your life. It's the most beautiful bronzer on the planet. And I don't think I'll find anything else which I love more than this bronzer because it is beautiful. This is a 135 MAC brush, by the way, guys. It is a natural hair, not a synthetic one though. I don't think the synthetic one's the same. I'm going to the gym to a yoga class tonight, guys, so I'm trying to be zen. Let's see if that works. We need to talk about Christmas stuff. Oh my god, what are you getting for Christmas, guys? I think well, this is my Christmas present I'm using now, my camera. Mum like, you can't wait. I'm like, no, I can't wait. So she put half towards my camera because it was 400, and that's my Christmas present from her. So yeah, I'm using my Christmas present right now, and everybody's like, well, that's wrong. I'm like, no, because I wouldn't be filming this video if not, and that is the best Christmas gift ever, being able to film. Love it. These two, match made in heaven. This is MAC SUNBASQUE blush. It is a really nice bronzy colour. I thought I didn't want to take away too much from the burgundy, so I've gone for a more bronzy blush. Is that too much blush? Of course it isn't, Hannah, shut up. I'm going to put a little bit of powder though, just to... I'm just not used to putting blush on still. I am, but I'm not. You get me? So, I'm going to put the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist on. Oh wait, where's my fan? I love being an extra bitch. This is the Doll Beauty Pretty Little Glow highlighter. More of a rosy gold highlighter. I haven't used it in ages. I remember buying it ages ago. Oh no, that looks lovely. Do you know what? This is quite similar to a MAC one. I'm trying to remember what it's called now. Beaming Blush. It's quite similar to that. Look at it. In fact, you know what I'm going to do? I use this specific brush for highlight underneath the brow bone. And I love it. So this is the BB12 Buff and Blend brush. Are you ready? I feel like I like putting it on my fluffy brush because it just puts it on beautifully. So this is the new technique I do with my brows. Well, it's not new, but it's a new thing that I do because I use the Anastasia Brow Definer normally, but I like a little bit of a softer brow. Going in with Primark eyebrow pencil, and I'm just going to skip through this. So I kind of just lightly fill them in. Kind of make an angry face to get my eyebrow as well. It's so weird. I'm like, I'm trying to grow out my brows a little bit. I want them a little bit thicker. For winter, we need some warmth. I'm only kidding. If you guys started your Christmas shop, you'll have to let me know because I have not started Christmas shopping at all. I'm going to put some false lash maximizer through it. This is by MAC. This will just fluff up the brow. I got it in my eyelash. Let's pretend that didn't happen. So you can see the difference it makes. It will dry clear, don't worry guys. Yeah, so it's just a little bit more fullness to the brow, but it's still looking quite natural and full. I'm inspired by Molly Isles because she did my makeup a while back now. She always does my eyebrows. Really nice and fluffy. And I really like how she does them. She hardly puts anything through them. I think she uses powder, you know, but I like a pencil. I'm going to go in with Cork by MAC. I'm going to take my Olive at my goodie, MAC Peach Stock. Love this lipstick. This is the finished look. I put the headband on because I feel like it looks a lot more Christmassy. I'm literally wearing a random top because I was like, what do I wear with this? I thought, let's put some burgundy on with the burgundy eyes. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up down below if you did like it. 12 days of Christmas. This is the first video. Oh, I hope I'm going to get through this, Jesus Christ. 12 videos in a row. Daily. Good luck to me. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video and I shall see you guys in my next one. Bye. Merry Christmas.